Hi everyone, I'm Fatima and welcome to my channel QMath Teacher Fatima. We are the number one math experts in India that make learning mathematics fun. In today's session, let's learn about the triangle and its properties. If you like this video, do share it with your friends, click the like button below, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Also, if you want to get live 1:1 classes with QMath certified teachers, enroll your child in QMath. The link is given in the description. Let's begin with today's session. What does congruence mean? Two triangles are congruent if and only if the corresponding angles and sides are congruent. Congruence is denoted by this symbol. So, triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle MNO. So we can say when two triangles are congruent, the corresponding sides should be congruent. That means when places on one another, they need to be perfectly overlapped. We can say that when one object's reflection is falling on the other side and are perfectly overlapped, even then we can say that the objects are congruent. Now, let us see a few examples for a better understanding of the congruency. Now, let us see here. There are sandwiches places in different directions, but then the size and the angles are the same when both the sandwiches are places on one another by changing the direction. You can tell that the sandwich is congruent to each other. Now, let us see the criteria of congruency. The four criteria of the congruency are A criterion, S criterion, SAS criterion, AAS criterion. Let us first see how ASA and SSS criterion works. ASA criterion, angle, side, angle. That means the side is included between two angles. Now let us take a look at a triangle ABC and a triangle PQR. Angle AB is equal to 50 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Side BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to 50 degree, angle R is equal to 60 degree, side QR is equal to 7 centimeter. Now, from this, we can say that when the two angles and one side of the triangle will be congruent, if the other triangle also has the same angles and side same, from this, we can say that the two triangles are congruent to each other with angle, side, angle criterion. Next, let us see the angle side, AAS criterion. Let us take the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let us see here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Angle B is equal to 40 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. AC is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to 40 degree, angle R is equal to 60 degree, and side PR is equal to 4 centimeter. So we know that the sum of the angles of the triangles is 180 degree. So here we can say that the angle side angle criterion works and angle side criterion as well works, as the two angles of the triangle are congruent to the other two angles of the triangle. For example, two prisms or two wooden slabs. Hope this session has helped you in learning about the triangle and its properties. If you do have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section and I will get back to you. If you like this video, do share it with your friends, click the like button below, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Also, if you want to get live 1:1 classes with QMath certified teachers, enroll your child in QMath. The link is given in the description. Goodbye. Good day.